Hi friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. Do you want to play a Christmas guessing game with me? You do? That's great. I'm so happy. All right, let's go. Here's our first one. Can you guess what it is? Look at it. What shape is it? It's like a triangle with a star shape. That's right, it's a Christmas tree. Very good, my friends. Let's do another one. This one looks a little tricky. It looks a little harder. It looks like kind of a 3D square, like a square that comes out. I wonder what it is. Yes, it's a present. Very good. Doing a great job. Let's do another one. This one looks very, very tricky. Can you guess what it is? Has two little things coming out on the side. Yes, it's a snowman! Yay, you got it! Can you guess what this one is? I think you can. Let's see what it is. Ready? Let's look at it. Yes, it's a reindeer! You got it, my friends! Here's the next one. This one's a little tricky also. Can you guess what it is? It's something that Santa rides at night when he delivers the presents. Yes, you got it! The sleigh! Santa's sleigh! Very good, my friends! Here's the next one. I bet you could guess this one. It looks like a... Yes! A candy cane! Very good! Do you guys eat candy canes? I do. They're delicious, but not too many. Can you guess this one, my friends? Something we hang on our fireplace. Yes, I think you're right. Stockings! Yay! Let's do some more. How about this one? We have it up on top of our Christmas tree sometimes. And sometimes you see them outside at night. Yes, star! It's a star! Very good. A yellow star. How about this one? Remember, it's Christmas guessing. It looks like a person shape, but is it? Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a gingerbread man. Some of you guessed it. Great job, my friends. All right, let's do one more, my friends. I'll give you one clue. Ho, ho, ho. Yes, you guys got the last one. Santa Claus. Great job. I love this game. Maybe we'll play some more next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.